Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, Standard 8, video number 57, Cubes and Cube Roots, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. We are continuing from our earlier video 56 because in A and B part of this 23rd we had completed over there. Now we'll be going for C and D. Okay, so answer the following. The smallest number that should be added to 2194 to make it a perfect cube is here 2194. Now for this you must know the cubes of these numbers. That's why I always say learn cubes up to 15. So 10 cube 1000, 11 cube 1331, 12 cube 1728, 13 cube 2197, 14 cube 2744 and 15 cube 3375. So what we want? 2194 and we need to add some number. So 2197 is near 2194. So 2197 minus 2194, that is 3. So if we add 3 to 2194, we will get 2197, which is a perfect cube. So the number to be added is 3. Next, the smallest number that should be added to 6855 to make it a perfect cube is similar problem, but you must know the cubes now. So I generally tell you to learn up to 15 cubes, but in this problem we require a cube of 19 also. So try to learn 20 cubes up to 20 if possible, but 15 is required. Some problems as an exception do come like this. So 16 cube is 4096, 17 cube is 4913, 18 cube is 50. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.